So right now we've pressured our material off. So whether you pressure it off or you just want to open the tank to dump, it's a lot easier when you have the material out away from it. We're going to open our tank here. Our door locks are right here, so you're going to hit unlock. That's going to release the locks on the door. And we're going to open our rear door. And before I go back there, I'm going to take my safety prop out, and I'm going to put that right down. And I'm going to bring my tank door back to it just so we don't have the door accidentally fall for any reason. From there, I'm just going to keep lifting my tank until it's all the way up. That's it.